Moment of truth, let's see. Oh, this is the biggest one. Okay, you're not ready for this, guys.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone.
I did not order this. This showed at my door yesterday with a very unhappy delivery man. It's a 140-pound box, and it's not quite clear what it is. Kind of looks like it might be a bike, but it's a little too big to be a bike. So I thought, you know what? It's already been 24 hours. I don't know if I can wait any longer. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Moment of truth. Let's see. That's exactly what I was guessing. Let's go! Come on. Crazy Cart XL. This is the biggest one. Okay, you're not ready for this, guys. Oh, boy. Yes. Oh, man, it's already put together, too. It's just ready to go. Perfectly explains the size of the box. This is... I can't even explain this yet. Let me get it out first. So this is the Crazy Cart XL. This is the largest Crazy Cart that Razor sells. It's surprisingly powerful. I've had an opportunity to try this the other day at Razor headquarters. It comes fully assembled, and under the seat it is just asking for some upgrades. Look at all that extra space in there for batteries and controllers. But I gotta say, the one time I did try this, it didn't even feel like it needed to be upgraded. This is already made for adults. It's already crazy. So let's try it out, see what some of my friends think, and take it on the road. I've got a little filming buddy today. This is the Insta360 X2, a 360 camera from Insta360. I've got it on the Insta360 motorcycle mount kit, mounted to the Crazy Cart. Pretty cool. It looks like someone's just standing there holding the camera. It's 360, so it cuts out the pole. And it's my first time trying it out. If you're interested in seeing more about these, there is a link down below. I am too excited to hop on this. It was fully charged within like 5 minutes of me plugging it in. That's the seat clipping in because it opens up. Uh-oh. There's an on button. Here we go. Oh, how do you stop? No, I scratched the camera. Oh no, I didn't. Wow. The camera is unscathed. Okay. I'm glad I got that on 2 camera angles. So that's the one thing about this this cart, is that it's not a bike. Oh. It's not a bike, so it doesn't have brakes. You're supposed to actually know what you're doing, and you don't need brakes. Let me set up the camera one more time, and I'm going to do that better. Alright, let's try this one more time. I'm going to do this a little better. This is not a children's toy, okay? So, this is like this is a big boy toy, and I'm not used to it, so don't make fun of me. Okay. Okay. So... there's something so fun and satisfying about just pulling this. So basically, like, It drives like a normal kart without pulling this, and then when you pull this, your tail end is just on ice. So I think I'm going to pull it out to the street because I like having more space to mess around. But it just doesn't have brakes, so I don't know how to deal with that just yet. So this cart is 1,000 watts. So this is a higher wattage than any street legal e-bike, but this is the top speed, so I'm not going more than like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to say, 10, 15 miles an hour? Oh my god, somebody's got to get me off this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, you gotta try this thing. Come over here.
How does it work?
Bro, I am still trying to answer that myself.
I know, I just saw you hit the curb over there.
Bro, I'm hitting everything and I'm getting it on camera, so it's fun. So, throttle, no brake, okay? Keep that in mind.
Oh no!
So don't hit that just yet. That arrow's where you're going, okay? And then when you want to just like drift, hit this.
Oh no, you're
Okay? That's all you. Let's see it. Wait, no, go, wait, hold on. Do like a full ass drift. Wait, stop. The camera. Wait, let me fix this really quick. It's 3 wheels. The motored wheel is attached directly to this where the arrow's pointing.
What the fuck, there's no brake?
No, so you just gotta know what you're doing. You gotta drift it.
Watch out.
Look at that face.
Watch out.
No way I'm gonna be able to.
You're driving like a normal cart when this is here, and then when you pull this, you're fishtailing in the back. And based on how far you're pulling it is how much you're fishtailing. So you actually have a certain level of control with that.
Did you drift?
Yeah, bro, you drift hella. He's gonna hit the curb. Yeah!
Oh my god! This is crazy!
Oh my god, I'm on fire. I'm a god. What was that? So that's how you control the drift. No brakes. There's no brakes.
Don't hit a car.
So don't hit any car.
Just remember, there's no brake.
Let me put this on too really quick.
It's indestructible too.
All right, let's see it, Dan. He's good. He immediately went as hard as possible. This thing's a fucking smile machine, bro. Oh.
Just the wheels. Yeah, there you go. Wait, watch out, watch out.
Alright, we got big boy Seranster out here. We're gonna try and go figure it out. Hit the back, hit the back.
Come on! Come on! That's so fun! Holy shit! Almost fucked my toe.
Whoa! Yeah, yeah! Fast and Furious! Nah, come on, Dan, let's see it. Oh, how do you stop?